Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been super long. I think it's been either a year or two, so it's definitely been a long time since I've been on my channel. I really want to get back to, filming like I used to. I used to love being in my creative energy and just either creating charms, videos, giving you guys some DIY tutorials on nails or just hacks, and of course doing my favorite videos like nail hauls and trying out nail products that I purchased, along with organizational videos. I always thought that you guys enjoyed those as much as I did. So yeah, I'm back now, and I hope that I still get the same support from the oldies and the newbies. I think I did start this channel about 3 years ago, and I genuinely always loved creating content. So yeah, hopefully I will be back for good, because the reality is I never wanted to stop filming, but sometimes life gets in the way. And by the way, excuse those little paws, that is my dog. But anyway, so today I have a really fun haul. I have a Temu haul. I still have purchased a lot of nail things, even though I wasn't filming and stuff like that, and my nails are not done, so don't come for me. But I will definitely be using these nails very soon to create some tutorials for you all, because I don't know if you guys remember, but I definitely do love collecting charms. So I have a couple things that I ordered. So the first thing is these heart charms, and I do not have the links or anything because I did make this order a few months ago, so I apologize for that. But I definitely recommend you guys head on over to Temu, because they have just such a great things on there, especially when it comes to nail art. Just absolutely great stuff. Hope the lighting is not so horrible. So these are so pretty. I think they're so beautiful on like your nail or something. Well, it is a nail charm obviously, but these are very beautiful. Yeah, they're just absolutely super cute. So we have these, and I believe it brings 10. Yeah, it does bring 10 charms in total. So we have that. I wanted to show for my thumbnail. Next, we have these really cute Japanese style kawaii charms. I love that style charm, especially for nails, because I love doing the kawaii type of Japanese style nail designs. These are super cute. Look how adorable. So cute. I love the bunny costume with the detail of the flower and eating a watermelon, this cute little cartoon. So I got those. I think this does bring a little bit over 10. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this one does bring 20 charms total. And the prices are just unbeatable. And here we go with the dropping of the charms all over again. But anyways, so here we have an up close. So cute. I love this. Adorable. And let me know down below in the comments if you guys shop for things on Temu, or like nail art related, or just anything in general. If you guys enjoy it, I definitely love it. And this one is just like random charms. Really cute as well. These are more like just like random ones. They're very nice. I love the bunny one. So we have that. Oh, we also have these really cute charms all over again. These do bring 20. These really cute kawaii mini charms. So again, a bunny with a strawberry this time. I love the detail and I love the size. Because honestly, I love all types of charms, but I think my favorite have to be the smaller charms. I genuinely love to work with those. And I think they're more doable as well. Super cute. Oh, this is so cute. So next we have a mixture of charms. So this one's like a variety. Hopefully I get to show you everything it incorporates. So I'm just gonna try to flip these quickly. I don't want you guys to get bored. Okay, so I guess I'll update you guys a little bit on my life. Oh wow, this is beautiful. I get an angel charm. I've never seen those. So here it seems like we get a variety of everything. We have an Easter bunny, a bear, we have some little bear looks like Yogi Bear, we have Pikachu, an angel praying, super cute. And we have another, I know this is I think that's one of Hello Kitty's friends, but I don't remember the name. And we also have a bear right here. So this is really, really nice. I love this. And I definitely want to show you guys in particular the angel one. I've never seen those. So that's exciting to have it. Look how cute. I love that. It does bring a few. I think I see just about like 3 in here. So yeah, I really, really like that one. Oh yeah, back to what I was saying. So I will definitely give you guys an update on my life, what's going on, what am I up to. So I did end up finishing nail school. Finished that like over a year ago. And at the moment I'm just working and going to school. So I'm just trying to balance everything out and incorporate still doing my nail stuff that I genuinely enjoy doing. So this is really cute because this is tiny cherries in like different colors, and I love that because I did not have these and I hadn't seen them. So look how cute. They're iridescent. These are like green iridescent color shifting type of cherries, and they're such a cute size. As you guys see in the packaging, you can see its true color. Just want to show you. This is adorable. And I love how it brings 6 different colors, and it definitely brings a great quantity. What happened here? Okay. We have this one as well in pink. We also get a blue one and a pink one. And we get a purple. Oh, and by the way, I do not have an Instagram anymore. So yeah, just in case you guys try to find me on there, I don't have one. But yeah, I'll definitely be posting on here as much as I can. Okay, so then we have Kurumi. So cute. I think she's holding little heart that says love. This is so cute. I love this. And if you guys are just curious or wondering, I am majoring in early childhood development with specialization in infant toddler, because I would like to branch into becoming a developmental therapist, helping children meet their you know, their criteria or just help them in whatever they need help in. I've always been interested in that. Also, I love like the psychology of children and like their behavior and why they behave the way they do, and like the phases of behavior and like just development in general. But yeah, my true dream would be to obviously be a full-time YouTuber, but we all got dreams. Okay, so here we have these really nice like bubble looking, I guess you could say style of charms. These are the type of I think these are like those droplets that you can do the nail designs where it looks like, I'll insert a photo if I remember to show you what I mean. But yeah, that's what they look like. And they're different sizes. Very cute. I'll show you another color. They're also iridescent. Super cute. And it brings 6 different colors. Love the variety. And the price here is unbeatable. So don't forget to check them out. Then I also have, I think this character is called Cinnaroo or something like that from Hello Kitty. It's one of Hello Kitty's friends. So cute. I love these type of charms. I love to collect them. You know, I think I might do a future video. Let me know if you guys are interested in like organizing my charms. This time I will do it better. I know I did see some comments of people saying they didn't like how I consolidated my charms and I mixed them together. Well, the reason behind that was just because I don't have a million containers, but I definitely have to go and I get some to do it more organized because I know some people hate that. So I know you can't please everybody, but you know, in a way it would be more like organized if I did get more containers and not consolidated them, because I did get that idea as well from one of the comments. But yeah, we have these that's charm 2 that has fallen so far. So these are just little Hello Kitty outlines, like blinged out, and these are like, you could either put it on the nail or you can use it as like a hanging charm at the free edge of the nail. So yeah, these are cute. I like these. Let me know down below like what video ideas you want me to do, or like what you're interested in watching also, because I definitely want to get into the rhythm of filming like a lot. You guys have no idea how much I just miss responding back to the comments and just, you know, engaging with you all and creating content. I definitely miss that. So I'm happy to just be back. These are so pretty. I love these. I love the size, of course. These are stuck together. Just want to show you a little bit of the charms that it brings. I love the detailing. Beautiful. Look how beautiful these charms are. So cute and so tiny. And these definitely bring a lot. I don't know exactly how many, but they bring a lot. And I just dropped them everywhere, so let me just pick that up real fast. Okay, hopefully I got most of them. Then we have a mixture of some more really cute kawaii Japanese style charms. Ooh. So we have some little characters. This is so cute. I love this. I've never seen these either, But yet I have been out of the nail game for a minute, so I don't really know what's in and what isn't. I'm trying to be up to date with that, but these are another style charm of little characters. I really love these. They're so cute. I believe these are like little animals or like bunnies. Yeah, I think they're bunnies in costumes, which I think are so cute. You could just be so creative with this type of stuff. Let me know down below what charms were your favorite in today's video. And I think we just have a few left. Oh, okay, so we have these left. These are so cute. These are like little reindeers. They look like reindeers. These are really cute. I love these. And I love the colors. These pastel colors are so cute. Let me just show you one. Close. The detail is so cute. Absolutely love it. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment, let me know what you thought. I'm so happy to be back to just create content for you all. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you to my old subscribers, my new subscribers, and anybody who is watching. Thank you so much once again, and I hope to see you all next time.